Hi everybody, how are you? This is the prediction for Capricorn, and Capricorn is December 22nd to Jan 19th, guys. This is a general reading for April end. Though I say all the readings are timeless, but yes, I'm doing it for April end. So this is a general reading, might or might not resonate with you. Sometimes all the messages might resonate with you, and that's a lovely situation, but sometimes only few messages might resonate with you. So, guys, I'm going to start the reading. I did one channel word for all these zodiac signs that I'm uploading. For you, I got the word minus, I got the words minus the person. I don't know what it means. I'm going to just elaborate because I haven't seen the cards. I put them in a pile and I shuffle them and I've made piles for different zodiac signs. And it says fear. I'm going to think minus the person. There either there is some kind of a fear in a relationship or fear in whatever business job, some kind of a fear that you wanting to deal with and you're actually not trying or not dealing with well. And minus the person, maybe you want to go ahead minus the person, either it's with the relationship or it's a or it's a business situation or some kind of a partnership that you're thinking that person is not important. There's something about minus the person, or there's one less person in your house. Maybe the person is away right now, it's a COVID situation, and you guys are you guys have been separated because of that. The person is living somewhere else and you have to live somewhere else. I get that kind of energy in these ones. Let me see what are the cards saying. I haven't seen the cards and I love it when it forms a story. I get very excited. But yes, because this is a general reading, messages might be very different for different situations, because guys, as you know, you all have different situations right now. It's not just one situation, but I'll try to see whatever situation I can resonate with or deal with. So let's see the first earth card. It says emergence. Some kind of a transformation is happening, guys. Minus the person, maybe it's minus the person, or probably that was your identity, you've become different. And minus the person could be that I was somebody like this and I am not that person anymore. I've grown with experiences, my life lessons, and the person who came in my life or that job or that business or that money situation taught me something. So I am not what I was. So maybe that fear, you've left that fear behind, you've changed yourself, and it's about minus the person. And maybe minus the person, like I said, is you only, very much you. I don't know why I get you've changed for the better. There is something that you left behind, or there's some lesson that you learned from wherever you were in a job or any kind of money situation, any situation that you were. You've become different, like this woman is emerging from a pond. She probably was different and this is her new face, or probably you've changed something about yourself. Or I get also that you've changed your attitude, or the change could be the way you look at life. You look at life very differently, and somebody's taught you to look at life a little bit differently, and which is better for you. I also feel a lot of you were going through depression and now you are feeling better, you motivated. I also get a lot of you did listen to a motivational video. I don't know why I get that you guys did listen to a motivational video, and that did motivate you, that did inspire you to live differently. And minus one is you've changed yourself, something about you. You've changed yourself about your living, the way you live, or maybe your beliefs. Something has been changed, and that change is big. That's why there is transformation, and a new woman is emerging. So the dragonfly, and you've given yourself wings. You're happy. You're somebody new, or there is freedom in your life. There's more freedom in your life than there was. You felt chained to something. So those are a lot of messages in one card, guys. So those are all for you. So let me see, Capricorn, what's the next one for you? Something that you wanted to create, you're not creating. You left it in between. So maybe you left something in between that wasn't really making you happy, wasn't inspiring you, and because this card is come reversed, I'm going to read it like that. Something was making your life very messy. I'm going to see it's a lot of mess around the person. The person doesn't know what to pick and what to leave, and there is so much happening around. It's becoming a very burdening situation. I don't know why I get a very burdened kind of feeling right now, and this card is giving me a very heavy feeling. So guys, there is something that you wanted to create, co-create, but you left it in between because the situation was getting very messy. So maybe minus one also makes sense, because you were working, three four people were working together. Maybe you were in a job and you just came out and you were like, I'm going to work alone. I want to work with nobody, and I will create myself. I don't need to co-create right now. The situation is messy. Too many cooks spoiling the whole dish. I want to work on my own and I'll do a better job, guys. So a lot of you are thinking this way. I don't know why I got the number 14. 14 is important for you guys. 14 is important for you. I want to take out some energy cards also, and normally I don't take out from the pile. I've just done it for two other zodiacs. I want to take out one more card. I want to take out energy card and see. Yes, all tied up. You were all tied up. So you were all tied up in the situation, and now you're feeling better. I think you've broken away from that situation, whatever job, money constraints, business, partnerships, legal hassles. Number five is also important for you. Something in the fifth month will happen or happened 5 months ago, and that's how you were feeling tied up. I also get you were feeling tied up for 5 months. You were feeling restrained, restricted. Restricted is the word, and that's probably the fear is coming from. Because if I wrote a channel message fear, there was some fear of being tied up or tied up to a situation that you couldn't break free, and you knew that you had to break free from those ropes and those chains that were binding you somewhere. So, guys, I think number five is very important for you. I'm going to do one more energy card. I'm going to see what's your story, what's happening. Yes, you are missing your friends. You're missing your friends, guys. Seven number is important for you. Missing community. You're missing your friends, or probably you wanted to break away and you wanted your friends to help you, and the support wasn't there. Or for some of you, because it came reverse, the support was there, but I'm not very sure. I think there was no support, or maybe you made those decisions alone that you were so tied up and you wanted to break free, and you used your own thinking and your instinct to break away from that situation. So let me see what your fairy cards are saying. Fairy spotting. So fairy is giving you signs. It's telling you that seeing is believing. So whatever you see is believe in that. Don't listen to stories, and also see what is true. Sometimes it's saying, but in fact the opposite is true. That seeing is believing, and sometimes. Opposite is also true, and that's also a lot of times I also say this thing, that believing is also seeing, and there is something that you need to believe in only when you see that circumstances. If you're feeling tired, or probably you're feeling tired, you're feeling tied up of the situation, please understand that situation very well, get all the facts correct, and see the situation the way it is. Because believe only when you see it. Don't get influenced by people or the words they say to you, and they might be mixing up all the facts. So guys, this is for you. So the big message for you is believing is seeing. So don't just believe in anything that you've heard, and that's a very important message. It's coming to me again and again, guys. Let's see what's your other fairy messages. Hidden depths. There's something hidden from you, and you're just wondering, what do I do, how do I go about it? Maybe the friend support you wanted was there is not there anymore, because it's a COVID situation. You really wanted them to tell you what's happening, but you cannot get much support from them. And I think that's why it's saying there are more hidden things to the whole situation. There is more than what meets your eye, and understand it properly and then make the decisions, guys. So there could be a lot of things. It could be a love situation, a situation, a money situation, a business situation, a partnership situation, something in the family. Some kind of facts are hidden from you, and you're not very happy. And so just don't go by what you hear, guys. That's a very big message for you. There's more to it. There's more to it, guys. Just try to understand. Just dig out the facts. Just see what has been hidden from you, and when it comes to light, that's the time make the decision. And there is a secret that you don't know about, that's what he's saying. Or you're also going there's a memory that you're trying to you've forgotten that memory, or you're trying to get that memory back, and there is something, some fact that is hidden there in the memory. And it says when we expose what's hidden, we can become free. Or probably you don't get the facts right, and that's why you're not being trying to, that's why you're not been trying to get free from the situation, because you're all tied up to the situation. You have no facts about it. You don't know what's hidden from you. There are secrets there in the situation. And that's what the fairy is saying, that believe in only what you see right now, and that's what's important for you. That those are big messages for you, guys. I know how it fits in your life, but there's something around that message. Your situation is probably similar to that, or closer to that, or somewhere, similar 10%, or something, or probably it's mirroring your situation. Let's see what the other there's some kind of temptation, guys. You have to break away from a habit. Probably the habit is the person or the job, or some kind of a financial thing, or some kind of a routine that you're keeping. You need to break away from an unhealthy habit. The habit you're keeping, the routine you're keeping, or the temptation of a guy or a girl, or some kind of a temptation, or you being greedy in the situation, that's not helping you, guys. You know that you have to break away from that situation. And there is more to that temptation. I think there are hidden depths in that situation, or that temptation that's coming up in the reading. I don't know what is the temptation around what is the temptation that you are dealing with, and I think you are the best judge of the temptation and your situation, and you know what you needs to be addressed, and these words are guiding you towards addressing that situation and finding a solution to it, and I think it's a problematic situation. So guys, let's see what is your heart situation. What is the power of love, what are the power of love cards saying to you right now? Cause and effect. So whatever is happening, whatever is causing you pain is coming from somewhere. There will be an effect. If there is pain in the heart, I think the effect will be a breakup. If there is a job situation or financial constraint, there will be a effect of whatever is happening in that situation. Or if there are situation in the situation, there are hidden truths and there are hidden depths. So unless you find that out, the cause will be very different. If the cause is different, the effect will be different. It depends on what is the situation, what are the facts and figures that you have in your hand right now, or in the mind, or what has come to the surface, and that's when you are going to make your decisions. Oh, there's a energy card in between, and it says financial constraints, guys. So there are financial constraints. Number four is important for you. In 4 months, there will be financial constraints, and I think after 4 days, also you'll find out that your finances are not so great. The money that you kept away, you really need it for some kind of an emergency, or you need to pay something that you didn't know would be coming up. Maybe that's the uh, hidden. I don't know, bill or something that you forgot. You kept it somewhere and you forgot about that bill, and you suddenly realized you have to pay that bill, and it suddenly came up, and that's eating into your savings. So, guys, there is some kind of financial constraint coming up for you. So, also the last card is trust, guys, and it says you have a strong connection to your soul's loving voice and have faith in your intention. So in trust yourself. So you are the one who's going to find the hidden depths, or whatever you have to break away from the temptation, and you trust yourself to do it. You trust yourself to break away from unhealthy habits, routine, the person, the job, business, whatever it is, something that's taking your money away. Sometimes we have unhealthy habits that we have to put in a lot of money to keep that habit alive. So you're also feeling tied up, guys. Just trust yourself and break away from the situation. And believing is seeing. Just you trust yourself that whatever you are seeing is what you need to believe in, and not just about what people are telling you or other voices are telling you. Also trust your inner voice. We all have a knowing, and we know that our gut is actually guiding us right. So get guided by your gut right now, and that's what you need. Just trust yourself, trust your inner voice, and things will be fine. So that reading was for you, Capricorn. I don't know why I get that you're dealing with somebody who's an August born. I get a feeling that you're dealing with someone who's an Aries. I get a very big Aries. I get a Taurian for you. You're also dealing with a Taurian. This situation is about a Taurian or around a Taurian, maybe a Taurian boss. I don't know why I get a big Taurian energy in this reading. So, guys, that was your reading, and thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do comment in the comment section. Like I always say, I love reading the comments. So, take care, and I'll be back here with another reading. Bye, guys. Have a very nice day. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.